Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, skilla there again once more, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Yeah, big up and respect to all of my dans and donettes, you see? Yeah, so I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you, and I have some things I want to talk to you about. Now, first things first. I saw a video circulating on social media that shows when a tank ran over a moving car that was being driven by a person. Now, according to more than one news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the video had been recorded within a country that is known as Ukraine during the Russian attack on the Ukraine capital. And according to more than one news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the driver of the car that had been ran over survived the terrifying encounter. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information if the driver of the car had been injured, no viewers and subscribers. No, I did not. Yes, I say, I'm not saying that he's not injured, but I did not get any confirmed information if the driver of the car had been injured. No, I did not. And I also saw a video on social media that shows how several persons worked together in order to pull the driver from the wreckage. See? Yeah, so just to make you know about that situation, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright? Yeah, and I also read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that some Jamaicans who was in Ukraine during when Ukraine was being invaded by Russian military forces somehow escaped Ukraine and arrived in the country that is known as Poland. Now, the reason why I said those words like that, now viewers and subscribers, is because I read more than one news articles about Jamaicans in Ukraine and leaving Ukraine and all kind of things. So I say, and these news articles gave different understandings about different situations when it comes on to Jamaicans who are in Ukraine while Ukraine is being invaded by Russian military forces. You see me? For example, one of the news articles that I read said 22 Jamaican students in Ukraine on train to Poland, and that news article had been published on the 25th of February the year 2022. Now, another news article that had been published on the same day, which is the 25th of February the year 2022, said 4 Jamaicans escaped Ukraine, arrived in Poland. You see me? I just give you these informations as best as I can. Hopefully, these informations will be somewhat informative and give you a good understanding as to what's going on pertaining to Jamaicans in Ukraine during this invasion of Ukraine, viewers and subscribers. It's really sad, you understand? Yeah, my people. So, I also read a news article that gave me the understanding that Putin sends a message to Ukrainian armed forces. Now, according to this news article that I'm looking at right now, I got the understanding that Russian president, who goes by the name of Vladimir Putin, called on the Ukrainian military to take control of their country and overthrow their president, who goes by the last name of Zelensky. The same news article that I'm looking at said Putin's televised address, laden with historical inaccuracies, comes a day after Moscow launched an invasion of Ukraine. You see it, my people? This whole situation are really tough, you know, my people. Some real bad things are going in Ukraine with this whole invasion thing, you know, my people. Amount of casualties me hear about and all them things, my people. They even want to get into certain things because it's really sad. You see, all with the tank that ran over the moving car. See me? According to news articles that I read, it is considered to be a deliberate act. You see me, I say, my people? Yeah, so, you know, I just bear bad things, my people. These things shouldn't even be think about, much less to happen. These things shouldn't happen. None at all, my people. You understand? Anyways, next topic, my people. So, now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video had been recorded within a country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded. The video shows when the police within the country of Jamaica was chasing a motor vehicle that was being reversed by someone on the road somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Yeah, the video shows the vehicle being reversed by someone for a certain distance on the road somewhere within the country of Jamaica. And at some point, the vehicle stopped and the person who was reversing the motor vehicle came out of the motor vehicle. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video has been talked about on social media because of how long and the distance that the person was reversing the motor vehicle on the public road somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I'm going to take a look at this video and tell me what I think about the video as well, viewers and subscribers. As I say, yeah, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, and please do not try this at all. Do not attempt to try this because this is dangerous and this can get you in trouble with the law. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe with me. Look what I'm going on, people. Look what I'm going right there, sir. The car, the up front, the round, the other one, we are reverse. You so see cars, good. You so see good. You can't see, but you know, you kind of there a little distance. Yeah, that's a running down already.
Watch out.
No, crash, man. I cheat up here, man.
Yo, I'm working. Yo! Stop the big yo. Watch out.
Sign this, laugh, joke. Sign this. Man say history. No, sir, no, for real, still my people, this no normal. I know somebody will do this already before, you know. I think I said that video like this before, still know my people, but John, no. See, well, police will cut him off. See it? Watch it. Check.
Hold on, stop now. Come here, man.
What? He said, come here, man. And what am I going to do? The people, tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, but you see him, the man who would have reversed that motor vehicle, him for join the police force. Or him can go join the army. See me, I go do some form of race car profession or something. Yes, I say, use that talent there. Yeah, you have talent that way there. Yes, I say, people. Yeah, man. See, I won't encourage nobody to do something like that on public road, you know, my people. I won't encourage nobody to do something like that, not at all neither. You understand? Because it's dangerous, you know. That's not easy to do right there, so, you know. You see me, I say, something like that can put, well, not say can, something like that put people life in a danger. So I won't encourage nobody to do that. But on a real, being as though me see this video and see that young man have skills them way there. Yeah, man, me would have said him to do something with that skill. Whether he wants to do race car or he want to join the military or something. Find something to do with that skill there. Because that is a skill right there, some people. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Well, anyways, my people, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, condemned Russia's attack on the Ukraine. See it? Now, I'm going to read some words from one of these news articles to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can get somewhat of an understanding as to some of the things that the Prime Minister said. You see me I say? Listen up. Now, a part of the news article said that the head of government said that his administration was expecting shocks from the crisis affecting oil and wheat commodity prices. Another part of the news article said that while it is still the early phase of the crisis, we expect that the impact on Jamaica could be through the global energy process, oil prices in particular, and possibly through some commodities, mainly wheat and flour prices, as I may say. And You know, another part of the news article said that Andrew Holness was speaking at a groundbreaking ceremony for a police station in Stony Hill, St. Andrew, Jamaica on Thursday. And this news article had been published on the 25th of February, the year 2022, which would be Friday, the 25th of February, the year 2022. So I say, yeah, another part of the news article said that the Prime Minister said that the government was also monitoring the effects of the international sanctions imposed on Russia by several countries. But people, them things we have to pay attention to. So I say, yeah man. And I also saw quite a number of posts on social media that gave me the understanding that there are some persons on social media who are basically saying that the Prime Minister of Jamaica should not get involved in what's going on within the Ukraine with the whole invasion of Ukraine because Jamaica can't manage no war. You see me? And that's the understanding that I got according to those posts that I saw on social media. Understand me, people? Yeah, but you know, I have some other left. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall, and big up is it.